In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Artistly subscription plan in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to your dashboard. Next, go to the My Purchases tab. From there, you'll see your current plan along with all available subscription options. Choose from the available plans depending on the features you need, whether it's upgrading for more tools, higher usage limits, or access to advanced AI features. If you just want to update your current plan, you can simply select a new one from the same section. After that, select your preferred plan and review the details carefully, including pricing and billing cycle. Then confirm your update and complete any payment steps if required. Once confirmed, your new plan will be activated immediately, giving you access to the updated features and benefits. And that's how you can update your subscription plan in Artistly AI quickly and easily. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.